What is up, YouTube? In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get $50 for the Nintendo eShop for completely free, guys. But before I show you how to get your own gift card code, let me just show you that this works. Alright, so here I am on the official site of Nintendo, and I'm just going to show you guys how to redeem your gift card code. So we're just going to go to our profile here, and we're going to click on to redeem code here, guys. Now, I will copy in the 16-digit code that I'm going to show you guys how to get later on in the video. So I'm just going to copy this in here and hit next. Awesome, so here we go. You can see that I've got a $50 Nintendo gift card code here, so let me just show you guys that this one is in my account. So I'm going to go back to the home page, and once again we're going to go to our account, and we're going to go to account settings. So you can see here on my Nintendo eShop funds, I've got $50 in my account, guys, and it's easy as that. So without further ado, the first step to getting your Nintendo eShop gift card code is to visit the website cryoflow.store. This can be done via your computer or mobile phone. Once on the website, search Nintendo on the search box. Click on the first result, and you should be redirected to the Nintendo gift cards page. In a few steps, you will have your code ready to redeem on Nintendo's website. Scroll down and select one of the available gift cards values by clicking the Show Coupon button and then the Unlock Code button. When generated, you go through a quick verification process to stop bots from obtaining all the gift cards. The verification process may vary depending on your country, so take your time to finish it. Once completed, the gift card is revealed and ready to use. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive deals, discounts, and shopping tips. Happy gaming!